Today I got a 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's my wife's new car. It's beautiful inside and out. The only problem is it does not come with floor mats for some reason. Because as you can see from the car seat, I got kids. So today we are going to be installing the Lasfit floor liners. And I got the complete kit. So it comes with the back cargo area, the back seats, the front seat, and the seats in the middle as well. So here they are. I just want to show you all a close-up of these. Very, very, very high quality. And then make sure you line up your clips. They kind of go like that. Pop right in. Perfect fit. That looks great. Now to the passenger side. I really like the depth. They go up pretty high on the sides. Alright, there's no clips for these because they don't even come from factory with clips, but they sit in perfect. I ain't gonna lie, this is probably the best quality set I've ever received from any floor liners, floor mats there is. This is fantastic so far. Look how high it goes up on the back. It's gonna be great for the kids. Now it's time for the back seat. Okay, so for the back seat, it's gonna come like this right here. If you have what I have, which is I have the 3 seats in the middle seats. So mine's a 7-seater. If you got the 6-seater, this is how you'll put it in. 6-seater, you'll need to cut right here with a razor blade or something because you won't need this. And that's what they look like when they're in. And then you'll see down here, I cut it. So, perfect. Looks great. I'll push that side down a little more, but that's the gist of it. All right, just wanted to show you this, guys, real quick. They really thought of everything. They've got the Velcro on it because it's going to go up on the back seats on the back too to give you that extra protection, as well as these going against they go around the headrest to really hold everything in place. So let's get them put in. This is what they look like when they're put in. It's a little tricky with the Velcro, but you can still do it by yourself, so it's not that big a deal. And it'll get fitted a little better once you mess with it some more, but overall this is a great product, the Lasfit. They're fantastic. We'll see how they hold up. My guess is they're going to hold up pretty good. I mean, they're textured, they're thicker than usual, they go higher on the sides, and they fit better than most other products that I've used. So